Hi lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Sibanda and today I'm going to teach you how to overline your lips and how to do this bold red lip. First of all, I used concealer. Concealer, it makes your lipstick to stick very well. It will hold and it will stay longer. That's why we put concealer. So it's just to add volume. So I'm using my finger as a blending tool. You can use your brush for this if you do not want to go for your finger, or you can rub your lips together, and this your concealer will spread very well and it will blend very well. As you all know that lipstick, red lipstick, it's always be put so that you can look confident and bold. So I'm going with my lip liner. I start with the lip liner just to trace where I would go with the lipstick. For the lipstick, it tends to be messy, so I start with the lip liner. So you can get this lip liner for about 10 rand in Chinese shop. Yes guys, it's very cheap. It's one of the things that you can have. So as you go with the red, don't forget also to buy the black liner to just stay with it, as it will save your life. So I'm starting by lining. As you have seen that I have overlined my lips. I didn't line exactly on the natural line of my lip, but I lined a little bit higher so that my lips will look bigger. So it's just to make your lips look full. That's how it is. So it's just faking the lips to be bigger for just a day. As you can see guys, so I have succeeded in tracing. So now I am going with the lipstick. It's number 720. This one you can find it in Discam. It's less than 40 rand. It's 30 something rand. So it's a luminous lipstick, it's not matte, so it's very good, especially when I go with the lip gloss on top. So guys, as you can see, it's all blended very well with the lip liner, as you all can see guys. So you just need to avoid messing as you go. Do not mess on the edges, but if you mess, you can always clean. You can always clean. So you just need to trace very well. Wow. So guys, you can notice it that my lips are looking fuller now. My lips are looking fuller and I'm loving the look. So now I'm going with my lip gloss. I bought it for 60 rand in Clicks. It's very good. It's very hydrating, this lip gloss. So as I'm dabbing, I'm not using too much force because I do not want to rub the lipstick below. So I'm just dabbing and I'm tracing on the edges. Don't forget to trace on the edges so that your lip gloss will be on top of the whole lip line and lipstick, for it to be glowing and to glow to the gods and you look beautiful. Wow, we are done guys, we are done.